DIY Home Renovation, a step-by-step guide. Renovating your home can be an exciting and rewarding experience. It can add value to your property, improve its functionality and aesthetic appeal, and provide a sense of accomplishment. However, home renovation can also be a daunting task, especially if you're doing it yourself. In this article, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to DIY home renovation. Step 1. Assess your needs and budget. Before you start any renovation project, it's important to assess your needs and budget. Ask yourself what improvements you want to make and why. Are you looking to increase your home's resale value? Do you want to improve your home's energy efficiency? Are you looking to add more living space? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can begin to budget for the project. Step 2. Plan your renovation. Planning is key to a successful home renovation. Start by creating a detailed plan that includes the scope of the project, a timeline, and a budget. Make sure to consider all aspects of the project, including materials, labor, permits, and any unexpected costs. You may also want to consult with a professional contractor or architect to help you with your plan. Step 3. Obtain permits and approvals. Depending on the scope of your renovation project, you may need to obtain permits and approvals from your local government. This may include building permits, zoning permits, and environmental permits. Make sure to research and understand the requirements for your project, and obtain all necessary permits and approvals before starting work. Step 4. Demolition and preparation. Once you have all necessary permits and approvals, it's time to start the demolition and preparation process. This may include removing existing fixtures, walls, and flooring, and preparing the site for new construction. Make sure to wear appropriate safety gear and dispose of all debris in accordance with local regulations. Step 5. Electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. If your renovation project involves electrical, plumbing, or HVAC work, it's important to hire a licensed professional to ensure the work is done safely and up to code. This may include installing new wiring, updating plumbing fixtures, or upgrading your HVAC system. Step 6. Framing and insulation. Framing and insulation are important components of any renovation project. This may include adding new walls, ceilings, or floors, and insulating them to improve energy efficiency and soundproofing. Step 7. Drywall and painting. Once the framing and insulation are in place, it's time to install drywall and paint. This will give your renovation project a clean and finished look. Make sure to use quality materials and apply multiple coats of paint for a professional finish. Step 8. Flooring and finishing. Flooring and finishing are the final steps in your renovation project. This may include installing new flooring, such as hardwood or tile, and adding finishing touches, such as trim and molding. Make sure to choose high-quality materials and hire a professional if necessary to ensure a quality finish. Step 9. Clean up and inspection. Once your renovation project is complete, it's important to clean up the site and inspect the work to ensure it meets all necessary codes and standards. This may include a final inspection by your local government to ensure the work is safe and up to code. In conclusion, DIY home renovation can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning and execution. By following this step-by-step guide, you can ensure your renovation project is a success. Remember to assess your needs and budget, plan your renovation, obtain permits and approvals, prepare the site, hire professionals for electrical, plumbing, and HVAC work, install framing and insulation, install drywall and paint, install flooring and finishing.